Everything in nature is connected. Every tree, every drop of water, every insect, a single thread in an intricate living web. But what happens when one part of that web is torn apart? The web of life is a story of connection, a delicate balance that sustains everything around us, including us. Even the health of the microbes in the soil directly impacts the health of the microbes in our body, shaping our immune systems, digestion, and even our mental well-being. 33% of our planet's soils are already degraded. Forests are being cleared at an alarming rate. Wetlands are disappearing. And as we unravel the web, we lose more than ecosystems. We lose the very foundation of our health and survival. But just as we have played a role in unraveling this web, we also have the power to repair it. And it starts with the soil beneath our feet. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem. Below the surface lies the soil microbiome, a vast network of fungi, bacteria, and organisms working together to break down organic matter and parent rock, releasing nutrients and supporting plant growth. Mycorrhizal fungi, for example, are nature's nutrient delivery system. They break down the parent rock to release phosphorus and other minerals, feeding plants, and in turn, the entire ecosystem. And the connection doesn't stop there. Our own microbiome, the microbes that live in our bodies, is influenced by the soil microbiome. Healthy soils grow healthy plants, which nourish our gut microbiome, strengthening our immune systems and mental health. The connection between us and the soil runs deeper than you might think. Did you know our own microbiome, the tiny microbes that live in our own body, is directly influenced by the soil microbiome? In fact, over 50% of the cells in our bodies are not human. They're other organisms working together to protect us and support our health. People who interact with healthy soils, whether through gardening, farming, or simply spending time in nature, tend to have more diverse and resilient microbiomes. Healthy soils grow healthy plants, and these plants nourish our gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in strengthening our immune system, improving our mental health, and even supporting brain function. More and more, science is revealing the profound connection between the health of our ecosystems around us and our own well-being. Despite the damage, nature has an incredible ability to heal, if we give it a chance. In the heart of Mexico, I've spent nearly a decade restoring tropical dry forests. In Canada, we've worked rebuilding soil health, biodiversity in degraded grasslands, forests, wetlands, and around the world, people are proving that small actions can lead to big change. This series is about giving nature a chance. It's about showing you how every action, no matter how small, can weave itself back into the web of life. Ecosystems are not random collections of species. They are balanced networks where every member plays a role in maintaining resilience. When we restore one part of the web by protecting the soil, planting trees, or conserving pollinators, we allow the entire system to thrive again. The web of life isn't just something we observe, it's something we're part of. Whether you plant a tree, compost food scraps, or protect a small patch of soil, every action helps to restore that balance. In the coming episodes, we'll dive deeper into ecosystems, explore the science of restoration, and give you the tools to make meaningful action. Together, we'll discover how healing our land also heals ourselves. Next time, we'll explore the hidden world beneath our feet. The foundation of life on Earth starts here.